Today we will learn about gastrointestinal hormones. They are biologically active polypeptides secreted from the endocrine cells of the gastrointestinal mucosa. These hormones go into the portal circulation, then into the systemic circulation and then to the target tissue. Some gastrointestinal hormones also function as paracrine or autocrine mode. They are chemical substances, they are chemical messengers. In physiological amounts, they perform a specific function, but at a high level, their actions overlap. They are directly exposed to GIT content. The chemical present in the food or digested products of food interfere their secretion. They regulate the secretion, digestion, absorption and motility of GIT. They also act as neurotransmitters and neuromodulators. Then endocrine cells are endocrine cells present in GIT mucosa. They do not form glands and are widely distributed in the digestive tract, stomach, small intestine, pancreas. They are present. There are more than 50 GIT hormones or gut hormones, which makes the gut the largest endocrine organ of the body. They are APAD, immunoprecursor uptake and decarboxylation cells also. Types of gastrointestinal hormones are grouped into three groups. The gastrointestinal hormones are grouped into three groups based on their chemical structure. Gastrin family, first is gastrin family, secretin, then other. The differentiation is according to their chemical structure. On the basis of chemical structure, this is divided into gastrin family, secretin family and other GIT hormones. Now one by one we will discuss about this. Gastrin family. Gastrin was discovered by Atkins in 1906, and almost 55 years later George and Tracy isolated the pure form of gastrin. It was discovered in 1906, and after 55 years it was isolated in pure form by another scientist, George and Tracy. It is mainly secreted by gastrin G cells present in the deeper portion of pyloric glands in the gastric mucosa. The cells are flask-shaped, apex projecting towards the lumen. They contain many macrovilli with many granules of gastrin. The macrovilli contains many receptors for chemicals. The main site of formation is G cells present in deeper portion of the pyloric glands in the gastric mucosa. Other sites are also there, that is G cells are APAD cells and are present in the pituitary gland, hypothalamus, medulla oblongata. Gastrin is also secreted from the vagus. And vagus and sciatic nerve as neurotransmitters. It is secreted as progastrin, which is converted into gastrin by HCl and products of digestion. Gastrin occurs in three main forms: G35, G17 and G14, that containing 34, 17 and 14 amino acids respectively. G17 is also known as little gastrin and is the main form of gastrin that is released after a meal and is removed rapidly from the circulation. G34 is present during fasting level. Therefore, G17 is known as main gastrin, or little gastrin is known as gastrin. enters in circulation, inactivated in the intestine and degraded in the kidney. Its half-life is only 2 to 3 minutes. Progastrin is synthetic gastrin. Mechanism of action. Gastrin acts on gastrin and CCK receptors on the parietal cells, causing an increase in intracellular calcium via second messenger, that is IP3. Increased cytosol calcium activates protein kinase that stimulates hydrogen potassium ATPase, so its acid secretion increases. Factors increasing gastrin secretion. We have to discuss the factors causing increase in influencing gastrin secretion. The factors increasing gastrin secretions are peptide and amino acids in the stomach. Distension of pyloric antrum acts by the local enteric nervous system. Increased vagal discharge mediated by a gastrin releasing peptide or GRP, that is also known as bombacin, and calcium ions. Factors decreasing gastric secretion are acid in antrum inhibits gastrin secretion by direct action and by somatostatin. This is a negative feedback effect of acid. Secretin, VIP, GIP, glucagon, calcium, etc. will decrease the its secretion. Functions, stimulation, secretion of gastric functions. This stimulates secretion of gastric acid and pepsin. Stimulates secretion of histamine from enterochromaffin like cells. Stimulates gastric motility and causes contraction of lower esophageal sphincter. Stimulates contraction of gallbladder. Stimulates secretion of insulin and glucagon and secretin. Similarly, stimulates proliferation and differentiation of epithelium of stomach, small and large intestine. Therefore, it may be involved in atrophy or neoplasm of gut mucosa. Clinically, gastrinoma is gastrin-producing tumors. Gastrinoma is gastrin-producing tumor may originate in a stomach, duodenum or pancreatic delta cells. This will lead to Zollinger-Ellison syndrome. Most common in these cases, a large amount of gastrin is secreted, causing increased production of hydrochloric acid and leading to peptic ulcer. Now, CCK PZ, cholecystokinin pancreozymin, it is a polypeptide produced by eye cells in the mucosa of the duodenum, jejunum and upper portion of the ileum. It is also found in neurons in the brain, cerebral cortex, somatic nerves and nerves of the distal ileum and cecum. It is widely distributed. Types, depending on the presence of number of amino acids, CCK-PZ are of many types. CCK-PZ 4, 8, 12 and 13 and many others. Half-life is only 5 minutes. Then mechanism of action. CCK-PZ acts on CCK-PZ-A and CCK-PZ-B receptor, that is cholecystokinin A receptor, cholecystokinin pancreozymin A receptor and cystokinin pancreozymin B receptors. CCK-PZ-A is mainly located in peripheral organs like gallbladder, GIT, pancreas, while CCK-PZ cholecystokinin pancreozymin B is present in the brain. When it attached to the receptor, activates phospholipase C and stimulates the production of intracellular IP3 and DAG, causing an increased flow of pancreatic juice rich in enzymes. Functions. It causes increased contraction of gallbladder, so increase the release of bile and relaxes the sphincter of OD. Increases secretion of pancreatic juice rich in enzymes. Stimulate the action of increases contraction of gallbladder, so increases the release of bile and relaxes the sphincter of Foddy. Stimulates the action of secretin to produce alkaline juice by the pancreas. Decreases secretion of gastric acid, gastric motility, and increased motility of a small intestine and colic movements. Stimulates secretion of glucagon and stimulates cell formation of pancreas, that is trophic effect. Increases secretion of enterokinase from the duodenum. In the brain it is anorexigenic. Factors increasing CCK-PZ, that is cholecystokinin, pancreozymin. This is its secretion is increased by the acid in duodenum, fatty acid, peptide and amino acids. There is positive feedback. A product of digestion stimulates increase in CCK-PZ secretion, increase in bile and pancreatic juice rich in enzyme secretion and will cause more digestion. This is terminated when the product of digestion enters into the lumen. Factors decreasing CCK-PZ secretion decreases when the product of digestion enters into the lumen. Now, about secretin and others we will learn in next class. Thank you.